For 200 years, we have used factories to turn raw materials into goods, steel into cars, cotton into clothes. But right now, there is a new type of factory coming into being, the AI factory, where the raw material is data and the final product is the most valuable product on earth, intelligence. I'm a solutions architect. Whiteboarding is my skill. Let me explain AI factory with the help of diagrams.
We have hit a wall with training models on public data. It is a technical and legal nightmare. If you are a healthcare provider or a bank, you cannot have your AI hallucinating based on something that it read in Reddit in 2021, which is why organizations are moving towards AI factory. Now, the concept of AI factory is like that of a sandwich. At the bottom, you have the hardware layer. It is made up of your chips like TPUs, GPUs, Trainium, MAIA, your storage, networking, all working together. Now that's where the heavy lifting happens. And the middle layer, you have the juicy data layer. Now this is corporate proprietary data. This is supposed to be cleaner than the public data. And on top of that, you have the controls. The controls layer keeps everything together. This has the tools and services that keeps those data pipelines going and makes sure that you are able to control the hardware underneath it. AI Factory ensures that models are trained on compliant enterprise-grade data. There's also sovereignty in the sense that customer chooses where the hardware runs. Data stays local is a principle even before data reaches the training pipelines. Now, this is impossible without applying the first principles of scalability.
Now let's have a look at the vision of companies like NVIDIA and AWS on AI factory. In their website, they have posted a page about what is an AI factory and what is their vision about it. And when you read through this, you will find that they are mentioning the exact three layers that we saw in the video before. One is the infrastructure layer or the hardware layer, then the data layer, and a management layer on top of it. There's something else that I found interesting is that the NVIDIA is thinking AI as a national infrastructure the way other utilities like water, roads, telecommunications are part of national infrastructure. So they are appealing to governments that they can create economic opportunities and drive scientific breakthroughs by using this infrastructure rollout. Very interesting. If I come to AWS AI factories, here, there's a slight difference, although it's not much, that AWS is saying that customer will provide the data center and power, and AWS will deploy dedicated, secure, and fully managed AI infrastructure for you. And really, the 20 years of AWS operational experience on building and operating data centers is clearly on their side. It's an advantage when a build out of AI factory is in horizon. So that's the outline of AI Factory. I know it's insufficient information to make any technical decision whatsoever. So until AI factories come into being, what are the tools, the services, the techniques that today's organizations are using to make sense of their own data? That's for the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.